Alright guys, we're going to talk about what makes a cube. And if you remember, the cube that we made had 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay, so that matches the cube that we see in the picture. And some cubes that are around us might be a block, a die that we use in math, a cube, an ice cube, maybe a Lego block, maybe one of your holiday presents, or a box that you might or your parents might get in the mail. So there are cubes all around us. So here are the Play-Doh cubes that we made. Okay, so you can make a Play-Doh cube using just Play-Doh and by twisting it in your fingers and moving it around until it becomes cube shaped. If you have marshmallows or toothpicks, this you can create with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marshmallows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 toothpicks. If you remember, our cubes have 8 corners. That would be the 8 marshmallows, and 12 edges. That would be the toothpicks. The face of the cube is the space between the toothpicks.